Okay, this is example 2.2. You're standing 100 meters north of your car when an alligator appears 20 meters north of you and begins to run towards you at 8 meters per second. At the same moment, you start to run towards your car at 5 meters per second. Will you reach the car before the alligator reaches you? Okay, so I drew a little picture here. So we have the alligator that's 20 meters north of you. Doesn't really look like an alligator, it looks like a platypus, but that's okay. Maybe it's a dangerous platypus. And you're 100 meters north of the car. So you have to run 100 meters. Now you're trying to get to the car. So really what you want to do is you want to figure out how long it's going to take for you to get to the car, figure out that time. And then for the alligator, he's trying to catch you, but you're running away. So you just have to figure out if he's going to get to the car first or not. If he gets to the car first or at the same time that you get to the car, he's going to catch you. Now notice he's got to run farther. He's got to go 20 meters plus 100 meters. So that's a total of 120 meters. So the distance you're going to travel is 100 meters. The distance the alligator is going to travel is 120 meters. However, he's got a speed of 8 meters per second. You've got a speed of 5 meters per second, right? So maybe you're not fast enough, but we'll see. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do the person first. And what we know is that velocity or speed is distance traveled over time, okay? We're going to figure out how long it takes to go that 100 meters. So I'm going to multiply both sides by t. Right? That gets rid of the t. And then, now you've got t times v equals d. I'm going to divide both sides by v. That gets rid of the v on the left side, and you've got t equals d over v. Distance over speed will give you the time that it takes to go. All right, well, for the person, that's 100 meters. And you're moving at 5 meters per second, right? Well, that's pretty easy. That's 20 seconds. Okay. All right. Well, it takes you 20 seconds to go 100 meters. That's pretty slow, but you know, maybe you're wearing shoes that don't allow you to run very fast, or maybe you've got a big backpack. Let's do the alligator or the platypus. Okay. So same idea. We're trying to figure out the time it's going to take. So that's d over v, right? But now the platypus has to go 120 meters, right? He's got to go all the way here. So that's 100 plus 20, that's 120 meters. So 120 meters for the platypus. And he's moving at 8 meters per second. Okay, well, that comes out to 15 seconds, I believe. I could check that. It looks like it's 15 seconds. So guess what? He's going to catch you, right? You are not going to make it to the car because it takes you 20 seconds to get to the car. It only takes 15 seconds for the platypus to get to the car. So he's going to catch you before you get there. So the moral of the story is you don't want to move to Florida because they have alligators there and they are fast. They will catch you, okay? Unless you're a fast runner yourself.